In this video, I'll show you how to buy KuCoin on MEXC. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Before we get started, this is a reminder that this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing I say is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially something as risky as crypto. So first thing you're going to do is open up and log into your MEXC account. If you don't already have a MEXC account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $8,000 in welcome and trading bonuses. So in order to buy KuCoin on MEXC, the first thing you need to have in your wallet is USDT. You can check this by going down here to the bottom right hand corner and tapping on the wallet icon. And this is going to bring up all of the assets you have in your account. If you don't have USDT in your account, you can simply go right over here to the buy crypto icon and tap on it. And once you're on the buy and sell crypto page, you can simply select quick buy. Make sure buy is selected, and right here you can buy USDT by simply putting in the amount that you want to spend. For example, if I want to spend 100 euros on USDT, you just put in the 100 and this is how much USDT it'll get you. If euro is not your local currency, you can simply tap on the arrow next to it and select your local currency out of this list. For example, if you're in the USA, you can select USD. Again, enter in the amount of USD that you want to buy. As you can see here, $100 USD will get you 97.5 USDT. Select your payment method and tap on buy USDT. After you have USDT in your account, go back to the home page and tap on the trade icon right here. Make sure you select your spot account, and right here where it says BTC USDT, you're going to tap on the arrow next to it and you're going to look for buy. You can do that by simply searching it in the search bar, type in pi, and right here you'll see pi USDT. Tap on that. Make sure you select buy since we want to buy pi. And right here you can select a market or a limit order. A market order just means you're going to buy the pi at the current market price. Enter here the amount of USDT that you want to pay for pi. For example, if you want 25 USDT worth of buy, just put in 25, tap on buy pi, and that's how to buy KuCoin on MEXC. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.